Guys, so I'm here to make more slime. I love slime, so I just made another one. Let me show you what it looks like. I mean, it's like, I didn't add any colors into it, but I will soon, because I don't want it to match the other one and make me mix them up. So, right now I feel very good because I already have 4 slimes, and I love slime, and right now I'm sorry guys, but I'm only going to be making small batches because I really don't have much glue left right now. So small batches, okay? About maybe 3 or 4 more small batches for you guys. So expect like 2 tomorrow maybe if I don't quit making slime tonight. So the things you're going to need are a bowl, something to mix in actually, a marker. This is optional, but this is the slime I'm making, so you don't have to use this, but I'm making this one. Some lotion, Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue works a lot better than other kind of glues. Like, I tried one other kind of glue, and it was just horrible. I watched some videos, and it just didn't work. Only Elmer's worked, so yeah. I love my camera straight. I'm sorry, it's not straight, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got it to fix, and then you're going to need some ear care solution, and it's pretty much just like, I forgot what's in it that just helps the slime, but yeah, I don't really know, so we're just gonna use it. But this one's from Claire, so I recommend the Claire's purple bottle when you get your ears pierced, or you could just buy it. So I'm gonna be taking this bowl and I'm gonna pour some any amount of glue you want, which I already told you guys I'm going to be doing a small batch. I'm sorry this is like my 6th video, but I don't know how many videos I made, but I just love making videos for you guys, so that's why. See, those are pretty much small batches to me. Those small batches can make a lot, because I actually have kind of a lot. About 1/4 of it left, but that's still kind of a lot to me, so. Oh yeah, I forgot one ingredient. Laundry detergent. I say this in every single video of mine. I love Gain. It's kind of hard to show you, but I will show you right now. That's the kind of laundry detergent I use for my slime. So, if you don't have Gain, then you can try any other slime detergent. Jeez. That you have. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my detergent in my little cup, and I'm going to be pouring little amounts. I said this in part 1, so you should watch that if you want to know some tips and tricks about slime. So, got that, and then you just mix it pretty much, and it becomes kind of thick. When it becomes kind of thick, that means like it's working. So I get kind of nervous when making YouTube videos, so that's why I'm breathing so hard, because I'm just really nervous. Alright, so this small batch is a little hard to work with, if you could not tell already. But once you get it all mixed in, you can get it out from on the sides, because that's how my cup is, so it's like all going to the side, and it will get all nice. So now I'm going to do another one. Go watch part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, 2. I think there's a part 5, I'm not sure. But go watch those, because you can learn how I can like subscribe to you. Because I'm doing this little contest thingy where I'm subscribing to people because they are doing some stuff, which you just gotta go on those parts, because I said all of them because I don't know which one's on. So it's like wet now. So I'm going to take it out of the bowl, and I'm going to try to get it all out with something else, which I got to find something. Let me think. Yeah, I'm going to go grab it right now, so I'll be right back. So I found this in my kitchen, so I'm going to be using it. It's a toothpick just to grab out all the extra, because there's a lot of extra in there and I don't want to waste any of it. That was like a lot of extras that I just pulled out. There's not that much left in there, so not really going to worry about that stuff. So now I'm going to be making a lot of small batches, so that toothpick's probably very good for me. One of my next videos, I might make a bigger one. So I'm going to just start playing with it. And once you play with it and it sticks, that's how you know you need to add more detergent. Oh, I'm sorry again about my breathing. I'm just really nervous. So another trick I do is I go really fast to get it out, and then when it's about to pour on my slime, I slow down. And I go very slow so I don't. This is a very small batch, so I cannot put too much in it. So. Sorry about me not talking. I just don't know what to talk about because I talked about a lot of stuff already. And me talking makes the video so long, so. I gotta tell you one thing though. On my last video I made, I said I was gonna show you my dog. So I will after this video because I forgot on the last one, so. Yeah, he's really cute. His name is Snickers and he's white. And he is 3 years old. Oh my god, I'm so sorry you guys cannot see at all. I'm playing with it. I'm sorry. It's like bubblegum, kind of. But it's not like sticky like bubblegum. Ooh my god. I put it too fast. Okay. It's okay though. Because I just wiped some off. I do have toilet paper. I'm not just wiping it on something. I have toilet paper to wipe it on. So, yeah. If you don't want to pour it in, just grab your cup and just slightly dip a little piece in like that. Or sometimes when I don't have toilet paper, I just wipe it on the side of this. So, my slime is done pretty much. Just gonna mix in this last bit. This is probably the fastest I made a slime video because it's such a small batch. And I said if we get to 20 subscribers, then I am going to give away some slimes. Alright. Okay, so my slime is done. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's not. Actually, I don't know what color I want to dye, but I know I want to dye it a color. So I'm going to do it on this camera, but I'm going to do only one coloring. So it can be faster than that. So I'm going to do a pink. Sorry, I was just grabbing a marker. So I'm going to just go crazy so I can get it done. I know I just said one color, but I'm going to do like 2 coats to help it turn more pink because I already have a light pink. And I don't really want another light pink. Well, actually, it's kind of dark pink. And I don't really want another dark pink, but this is hot pink, so I guess it's gonna be light. So I think that's cute. Let's just roll it. This one's gonna be light, yeah. I'm only doing 1 coat for you guys, so it's a shorter video. It's still gonna be like 7 to 8 to 9 minutes long, 10 maybe. So I think my slime's a really cute color. I like this color. And soon when I hit 7 slimes, I'm gonna do a slime collection. because I'm totally going to make more slimes when I get more glue. Actually, guys, I forgot. I wanted to use lotion and my ear solution, and I totally forgot about it, so I'll make another video right after this with it, okay? I so forgot, and I know you guys wanted me to use that so I could show you how to use it, so I'll make another one. There it is. So I'm gonna show you my dog. So let's go. Snickers. There's my dog. Okay, guys. So I can't find this one. So that was my dog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe, and peace.